Today in this video I am going to share with you a banana face pack. It helps to remove blackheads and whiteheads by reducing the size of open pores. These herbs help in anti-aging and make your skin like glass. So let's start. First we need licorice powder. Take 1 tablespoon licorice powder. It helps to shrink your open pores. Banana. Take 1 ripe banana, peel off and cut into small pieces. Grind banana and licorice powder in a mixer grinder. Banana makes your skin soft and supple and helps in anti-aging. Transfer this mixture to a bowl. Now you can use this face pack. Let's see how to use it. After cleansing your face, apply this pack. You can apply to your neck and hand and feet. Massage and keep it about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash off with using water. Apply a moisturizer. Use this face pack twice in a week for best result.